What's up, guys? Early morning here, but I'm going to address this right there, that it's leaking. Um, these plastic fittings are horrible. And my car has 200 and I think 57,000 miles. So everything that's plastic is actually giving out now. Rightfully so, right? It lasted enough time through the heat cycles, but here's the solution. Here's the part number. This goes back to my explanation of the dealers know what they're doing. So Dorman came up with a solution. Instead of making these things plastic, they're metal. So it's a real simple install. Supposed to click these things together and put them up. So yeah, sorry. I'm going to show you guys how it looks after. These, I think this one has 2 O-rings in this side there, you see it? I'm not too sure if the stock one, the plastic one, has 2, but mine is definitely leaking. The one on the left. Here's a side by side. I had to get this tool, and you use the 5/8 one, obviously this one, to take it off. Here's how it looks, the final product, and I'm gonna order the other side. But yeah, this is definitely a must-do upgrade. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe and share. I appreciate it.